All right, we're moving. But cool thing I like about this pond is when the weather is right, the water level is just correct. You can literally just walk down right to the edge in case you want to fish or just marvel at, the creatures that the lake has to present. I'm gonna come right here. This is one. And you can literally stand right here. Boom. Well, I got a better one for you guys. Ooh, I see a nice one. Got a tree, a shade, and everything. Look at this one. Ooh, it's a nice little pathway. You can tell it's been used already. And it just opens right up. Just come all the way to the edge. Maybe I might dip my toe. Dip, dip. But here we are. It's just lovely. I got an old iPhone. I wish my camera quality was good. But yeah. So peaceful. I can sit here all day and just relax. But we gotta get some creatures in here in some of these shots. We got a goose swimming over there, but I'm gonna get closer to it and let you guys see what's going on. But I have a couple on my last shot yesterday, so I guess this is day 2. I gotta find a name for this pond. It's so big, that's why I usually confuse it as a lake. It's so big, and it goes way back there. And also the reason why I got it confused with a lake is like right over there. When it rains, the water level builds up and it has to drain out somewhere. So right over there on a rainy day, it sounds like a lake because when the water goes back out, it sounds so noisy because it's going right through there, the drain. So it almost sounds like a lake or like a river sometimes, depending on the amount of water um, that the rain, depending on how much rainfall, and it's just heavy like that. But I'll keep you guys updated.